project in which time is measured in days. Now, can everybody in class tell me which one's the critical path? Critical path is the one that causes it to be, basically the one that causes it to be 12. ACE. Is everybody happy with A to C to E? Everybody happy? Now here's what we're going to do now. Done. Now we're going to make what's called a Gantt chart. And here we go, right? So what I'm going to do on the top of the board is I'm going to do the following. This is 0. And then I'm just going to, every 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 15. And then I think I have enough now, okay? So what you said the critical path was again? ACE, was it? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to start forming some rectangles. How long did A take? 4 minutes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's A. Okay. How long did C take? 3 minutes, was it? 1, 2, 3. How long did the next one take? A took 5, did it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there it is. That's A, C, and E. It's almost like a schedule. You do A from 0 to 4, don't you? You do C from 4 to 7, and you do E from 7 to 12. See how easily read that is? You can schedule a worker to do that. All right. Now, the problem is, what ones are we not taking into consideration? Which ones have I not done yet? Have I done B yet? No. Okay, so when does B start? B starts at 0, and it's done in 3 minutes. Okay, so here I'm going to do B now. Okay, ready? So here's B. Now here's the problem with B. So B is 0 to 3, isn't it? But the problem is it's 3 to 5 minutes. So it could have taken an extra 2 minutes. So do you see that dotted line? That means it could take anywhere from 3 to 5. You could delay it and you could finish on the 5th minute. Does that make sense? That's why B has a node of 3, 5. Isn't that right? What's C's node? Can you call it node for not C, D? 8 and 10, is it? Okay, and when does it start? D starts at 3 minutes in. So we can start at 3. So I'm gonna go to 3 for D because D starts at 3 because the previous node had it starting at 3, didn't it? And D's in the middle here, okay? So let me see what I'm gonna do here. Okay, just gonna get my rectangles again. Okay, I want the filled in one this time. This one. All right. Here we go. So D, we can start 3 minutes in, can't we? And how long does D take again? Takes 5 minutes, so that would be 3 to 8, wouldn't it? You see why I need the squared paper, can't you? Now, and lucky for me, I can just copy and paste this little one here because it's the same thing again. It can be delayed up to 2 minutes, can't it? No, I shouldn't make that. It's like my squares got bigger. Yeah. Give me a second. A bit OCD about stuff like this. I'm gonna try again. There you go. You get the gist now, right? Now, so what do we say that is D? And that's technically 3 to 8, and then that's 8 to 10. You don't have to put those numbers in. I'll just do that for myself just to check them right. Then I'll rub them back out again. None of the solutions have the numbers on top like I do them. Okay. I don't think there'd be any reason to deduct marks for it, but I just do it as a checking mechanism. All right, what number have I not done yet? I haven't done F. And F is, what is it? F is 8, 10 to what? What's 12, 12? Okay, so what's that mean? And how long does it take again, F? Takes only 2. Ooh. So, there we agree that F starts at 8. So let's get my regular old rectangle here. F starts at 8. 8 is here. Therefore, F starts there. And how long does F take? 2 minutes, yeah. How long can F be delayed for? It can also be delayed for 2 minutes. Okay. What do we get then? So that's F. And that could be anywhere from 8 to 12, isn't it? With the 10 in between. Done. That is known as my Gantt chart, or however I pronounce it. You go with that? So that is how we do that. All activities have to be listed. Always put the critical activity in a line together. See the way the critical activity is in a line? And see the other activities that can be delayed? They can be put in a different order. Is that okay? Now, at midday on the 12th day, on the 5th day, what's midday on the 5th day? How many hours does that take? Midday on the 5th day. On the 5th day. So what's that mean? 0 to 1 is the first day. 1 to 2 is day 2. Day 3 is what? I always get mixed up with these. 2 to 3. No, it's 3. Oh, sorry. Gotcha. Which activities on midday of the 5th day, which activities must be happening and which activities may be happening? Is that okay? Must be happening and may be happening. Now I'm counting this, okay? What is the 5th day, lads? 3 to 4 is the 4th day. But everybody agree it's 4 to 5 is the 5th day. 4 to 5. So it's this little region in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a line straight, vertically straight down. I'm going to dot it as well. Right? Halfway between 4 and 5. Do you see that red line? Which full boxes did I cut through? Did I cut through C? Now, the bad thing about D is, look what I could do with D. What could I do with D? I could move it. If D was delayed, then technically I could get away with it, couldn't I? Not doing D at that time. So and B could already be done, couldn't it? So what's the only one I have to do? C. C is the only one I have to do, must be happening. Which activities may be happening? B could be delayed, so it could be B, C, and D. Oh, sorry, just B and D, because they may be happening, but C has to be happening. Does that make sense? Okay. Let's try.